So what is my denominator going to be?
What?
5 plus 5.
Huh?
5 plus
Oh,
5.
10.
10. Alright, so it's going to be 6 over 10. Can I simplify this?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
what is it going to be?
You could put, you want to put like you want to put 3,
Mm-hmm.
5.
Absolutely, 3 over 5. Beautiful. So I'm going to plug that into my y equals mx. So this is going to be n is equal to our slope. It's going to be 3 over 5 x. And then do we know b?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? What is it?
Both I say, you know.
We don't,
Okay.
right? So we don't know what b is yet.
No.
Okay? So we're just going to leave it, I'm going to leave it as a variable, all right? So then now we have to plug in another set of points. So you can pick either the x1s and the y1 or the x2 and the y2. So which set of points do you want to use? Proton. Which set of points would you like to use? 14. Just pick. Yeah, one of the sets or the other set? This one? The positive one? Alright, so Botan says we're going to use 5, 2. So we're going to plug in, so our x2, or we're going to plug in our first. We're going to go and put it in our equation. So I'm going to put the y2 first. I'm going to have 2 is equal to 3 over 5 times x. Alright? To make this a little simpler, I'm going to put the 5 over 1. So that way we can just cross multiply across. So I'm going to put 5 over 1 and then plus b. So now we just simplify this. Alright, so I'm going to have,
That's a lot.
so I'm going to have 2 is equal to, what's 3 times 5?
3 times 5 is
15.
15. I have 15 over 5 times 1?
5.
5 plus b. Alright? So then I'm going to have 2 is equal to, what's 15 divided by 5? 3 plus b. Alright, so how do I get b by itself? How do I get b by myself? Remember solving equations? How do I get, if this is a positive 3, how do I move it to the other side?
6.
Drum roll.
Nah, that's a little 6 thing. Type cheese.
Subtract.
Subtract! Subtract what?
3.
3, absolutely.
It's
Beautiful.
about time.
Alright, so then if I subtract 3 to both sides, the 3's cancel out, and I'll have 2 minus 3, which is what? Negative 1. So I'll have b is equal to negative 1. Does everybody have,
No.
does everybody have the slope part? How we got slope?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes?
Yes. Okay.
I'm going to erase it.
Look.
You have it. You didn't get it from somebody else, because you weren't paying attention and following along.
No, I did not.
What? Alright, so I'm going to go, and I'm going to erase it. Alright, now I'm going to leave our slope. So, our y is equal to what? We already had our slope, so I'll have 3 over 5 x minus 1. So that is our equation that we found using our points. So that is our equation for this line. Alright, so that's how we found our equation. We're going to, what? We had to find our slope using our y2 minus y1, our slope formula. Then we plug in another set of points to find b, and then we put it all together. So that's what we did. Substitute the slope and the y-intercept into the y-intercept form. Then my car moves. This line should be over here. I don't know what happened.
That's great.
All right. So now, flip it. You should be able to flip your paper, I think. Maybe?
Yeah.
Alright, Alright, so how do we graph a linear equation? So this arrow on your paper,
I didn't understand the thing that just happened.
this,
I was like, I know what we're doing, so I ain't understanding what she's saying.
I'm coming. You can continue. Alright, so how do we graph a linear equation? Do we know how to graph? I feel like we do. Alright, so what do I do first? In our steps. What do I do first?
Apply a y.
So this it's so like intercept, okay? So first we're gonna plot
Okay, so what do you need me to do?
our y-intercept. So what is our y-intercept for this equation? Positive 2 or negative 2? Negative 2. So this is gonna be our b. Alright, and what is our slope? So our slope is 3. Alright, so actually, where would I put my negative 2? Or my y-intercept? On the y-axis, yes, the y-line or y-axis. So I'm going to find negative 2. So I'm going to put it right here. Right? Alright guys, come back to me. We're getting a little too Alright, Alejandro. So from negative 2, I'm going to use my slope. I'm going to use my slope to move from there. So, where am I going to go? We're going to go positive 3, so we're going to go up 3, right? So I'm going to go up 3 from negative 2. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go to the right 1, because it's positive.
I'm good.
And then I'm going to put a point here. Right? And then I'm going to do the same thing. Again, I'm going to go up 3. You okay? You should follow along with it.
Yeah.
Alright, and so then I'm going to go up 3 again, because it's positive. So I'm going to go up 3. So I start here, 1, 2, 3. And then go over 1. And draw a point.
Shut up, son. Say yes, sir.
If my slope is 3, I'm going to have 3 is equal to 3 over 1. Putting it in a fraction is going to make it easier to graph. If I had like an actual fraction, if my slope was say 1/2, I'd go up 1, so I'd go up 1, and then to the right 2, because they're both positive. All right, so we'll see that when we get to the we do and you do. All right. So from here, if I go up 3 and over 1, and I want to extend it this way, what do you think I would do? I want to do the opposite. So if I want to extend the line this way and put a point somewhere down here, so we go down 3. So
left 1.
1, 2, 3, and then we go left 1. Absolutely. So then we can just now we have a pretty good dots on their system. So we're just gonna connect. Oh crap, that was terrible. We're just gonna connect the dots. And that's going to be it. Very simple. Graphing is easy. Graphing is fun. I like graphing. So, you're going to, first step, you're going to plot your y-intercept, and you're going to graph your slope. Whether you go up 3, and then over 1, or down 3 to the left 1, and then you're going to connect the dots. Really simple. Alright, can I move on? You still got it. I don't get it.
What I just said.
You need that. These are the up 3. So I went up 3. my 3 is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so then I went down.
That's
So
how
then
you
I
make
went
it.
down 3. 1,
Just like
and then
who we bought it?
so then I connected the dots and made the straight line.
I'm gonna have to just like this.
Oh.
Well, mine's not really straight, but you know, like it's close enough, right?
Yeah, mine was straight.
Beautiful,
Beautiful.
beautiful. Okay. All right. You still writing, or can I move on? One more. Okay.
Yep.
You can see that. If you do, let me know. All right. If you're talking, then I'm assuming you're done, right? All right. So now we're gonna do what we do. So I want you to walk me through the steps. I want you to walk me through the steps of how to graph this line. Yes. Go.
Alright, so
Travis.
we're gonna go left 4.
All right. Hold on. What is our first step? What do we have to do first? Plot. Yes. So we gotta plot our y-intercept. What is our y-intercept for this one?
5.
You're good.
Yeah.
So our b is equal to 5. Okay. So then what is our slope? Wait, Travis. What is our slope?
Not this one.
Yeah.
B.
B is our y-intercept.
Oh, wait. What's that phone?
Yes.
5.
B is our y-intercept. Y-intercept is 5. So what is the only other number in our problem?
4.
Positive or negative 4?
That's a negative.
Negative 4. So our m, or our slope, is equal to negative 4.
Yeah.
Okay? So then, Travis, what do we do first?
Go left 4.
We're gonna plot our y-intercept at where? 5. So this 5 right here?
Positive.
This is positive 5.
No, on the Y.
The y-axis, right?
Yeah.
So up here. Alright? And then now what do I do?
Left 4.
Then next, you graph the slope.
So we're gonna graph our slope. So Travis said left 4. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? No. Because if I went left 4 and down 1, my slope would be 1/4. Because I would go down 1 and then over 4. That would be a 1/4 slope. But that's not my slope. My slope is what?
So you go good
Negative
left
4.
1 and
So I
down
need to go down how many?
4.
4. So I need to go down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we always want to move to the right because this is a negative slope. So I'm going to move to the right. Then put a point there. So where would I put my next point? Botan? Where would I put my next point? My point is right here. How many would I go down? Like what am I doing next?
You go 4 down to the right.
So we're going to go 4 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to the right one and put a point there. So that's all the points that I could fit on my graph. So then we just connect the dots. It is beautiful.
It's not beautiful. That is horrible. That is horrible.
I can get a ruler.
Horrible.
I can get a ruler and try to make it.
No, because he's going to get you ratio later. So.
Yeah, I'm fixing to erase it. So that's how we're graphing. So now you're gonna do 2 on your own.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh my God.
So from here, I would graph it on the same graph you just did this one. So
erase that.
no, you can just leave it on there because they're not gonna be really close. There's one gonna be like this way, and there's gonna be up here, blah blah blah. But so I would just graph it on the same graph you did this one. You don't have to erase it because Miss E and I are just gonna be walking around, or Miss E's gonna be rolling around in her hot rod vehicle. And then we're gonna check you and help you if you have questions. Okay? Ready, set, go. I'm gonna give you about 7 minutes or so.
7 minutes. It should